Hey everyone, it's Curry Gaming back with another video, and today I found a doubles pack from Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, and one of the trucks is new to my collection, and the other one is an extra. So the extra I'm going to give to my good friend Zach. So yeah, the double pack I got today is the Motosaurus with a brand new paint job and Wrex. So Motosaurus is the new truck for my collection, and Wrex is obviously a duplicate, so the Wrex I'm going to give to my friend. But other than that, let's get these bad boys unboxed. I'm not going to go into full depth review of the Wrex because I already have it, but if you're wondering what it looks like, here it is. Duplicates that I'm getting rid of sit in there. All right, here is the truck. Here's the truck that I really bought the pack for. The new Motosaurus looks pretty cool. It's matte painted. Looks kind of scaly, which is cool. Kind of reminds me of the Small Hubs Rep toy that I reviewed recently. It's got a green head, green rubber spikes, green rims, orange roll cage, and a yellow chassis. Pretty interesting color combination. It's pretty cool. So yeah. Okay, so that was the unboxing of the 2020 Motosaurus from that doubles pack. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button. And as always, ring that bell for post notifications so you don't miss a new video. Because pretty much I post new content pretty much every single day. And yeah, so if you guys are wanting to see more monster truck unboxings and stuff like that, please stay tuned, and yeah. Alright guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day.